Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up voicemail on this device. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to open our contacts app, and right here we have to choose three dots in the right top corner. Now here we have to click on the settings, and here we have to choose voicemail. Now right here we have to click on the advanced settings, and here we have setup. Now we have to click on the voicemail number, and here we set our voicemail number. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!